Come put your personal stamp on this well-maintained home that's available for the first time since it was built in 2000. This 3-bedroom home is on a tree-lined street and has great curb appeal. Inside, you'll find a modern, open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and lots of natural light. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinet space, and a breakfast nook. The kitchen already overlooks the dining room. With very little effort, it can be completely open to the living room too. Through the double French doors, you'll spend lots of time in your beautiful sunroom, complete with fans and tile flooring. The huge fenced-in backyard includes a storage shed, and there's room for a garden, a playset, and a pool. The property also backs up to a green space, so no rear neighbors. The master suite here boasts a granite-topped vanity as well as a jetted soaker tub. The split floor plan puts the bright guest rooms plus the spacious hallway bathroom on the other side of the house. This home is in a great neighborhood that's zoned for top-rated schools, and it's surrounded by numerous lakes and forests. You'll be within 10 minutes of golfing, shopping, and dining, with Disney and Orlando within a 40-minute drive. New residents are pouring into Florida daily, so this home will not last long. Make your appointment now to see this one in person.